Everyone wants a nice set of teeth, and most people would agree that having whiter teeth is one thing they want to change about their smile. But is teeth whitening the right way to go? Well, before we get into that, you should know the pros and cons. First, you should know what causes teeth stains in the first place. There are many ways your teeth can get stained. Your teeth naturally get darker as you age, but they can also get stained from different drinks, from using tobacco products, from certain medications, and the list goes on. Teeth whitening works differently depending on the stain, so before you get yours whitened, you should know if it'll even work in the first place. Teeth whitening, otherwise known as teeth bleaching, usually works on stains that are more mild and stains that occur naturally. So stains that are yellowish brown or light gray are good candidates. But if your stains are more severe or from unnatural causes like a silver filling, whitening probably won't do much for you. Okay, so let's say it does work. You probably have some other questions too. Another concern people have about whitening is whether or not it's safe. Most people experience a few days of sensitivity after whitening, but this pain is usually mild and will stop after the whitening is done. You can also use a sensitivity toothpaste to help protect your teeth from pain. Now, if you already have problems with tooth sensitivity, teeth whitening might not be the best for you. Tooth bleaching can get confusing, especially with the different types of procedures that are offered. You're probably wondering about the difference between at-home and in-office whitening. In-office meaning in a dental office. To keep it short, you'll see results either way if you do it right. If done in a dental office, it'll be more customized to your mouth and you'll see results quicker, but it will cost you a lot more. Whereas if you do it at home, you'll avoid having to go to the dentist and you can save a good amount of cash. So is it worth it? Well, that's up to you. If your teeth meet the right criteria and the bleaching is done correctly, it will make a noticeable difference. And the results usually last for a while. Typically the whitening lasts for 1 to 3 years before you need to redo it. It would definitely be a good idea to talk to your dentist before going through with any whitening procedures though. He or she can see if you would be a good candidate and can guide you in the right direction. At the end of the day, the decision is yours. Teeth whitening is entirely elective, so it isn't urgent and it isn't required to keep your teeth healthy. That being said, keeping your mouth healthy should come first. So if you walk into your dental office talking about teeth whitening, but your dentist notices a bunch of cavities and uncontrolled gum disease, you'll have more important issues going on. If you have a healthy mouth, getting your teeth whitened can be very effective and can make a big difference in your smile and daily life. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new dental secrets every week.